Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm trying to be kind of quiet because it's not quite time for me to wake up the kids yet. I am recording this before school, so I'm trying to do this somewhat quietly and quickly, at least this portion of this video. So this right here is a PR package sent to me from Born Pretty. They reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in trying their products, and I said yes. I wanted to try your gel polishes for a while now. So they were like, perfect, this is what we're gonna send you. And I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wait. So that's sitting in here. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it for you guys, and then I'm gonna do something different. Instead of swatching all of them for you on camera, I'm going to open it. I will cut and I will swatch off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and you guys are gonna watch me do a press on set. So I hope you like that idea a lot better than just watching me do swatches and then watching me do a second video. So I figure that will be a good way to change things up. So I have this flipped over because I didn't black out my address. So I'm gonna pull this into my lap to open it real quick. Ooh, isn't this box so pretty? I love these boxes, and I'm realizing that this is a nail polish bottle. I don't think I ever realized that from watching other videos. So Born Pretty has been kind enough to give me some discount codes, but also it is their 12th anniversary, so they are having a sale. And you can save an additional 20% by the code ANNIV20. So I will be sure to link all of that down in the description box. And Born Pretty also invited me to become an affiliate. So I have that also that I will link all down in the description box. These boxes are very pretty. There's nothing else on it. So we have our little instruction guide. Ooh, it has some QR codes. Okay, well that's cool. You can watch step by step, it looks like. And your removal. So these bottles are so pretty. They are 10 milliliter. And they have a little window so you can see. So we got BPCCO2. BPCCO3, BPCCO5, BPCCO6, BPCCO4, and BPCCO1. So these are fall colors. I will get them swatched. I will show you what the swatches look like, and then we will start doing a press on set. I've already got like the idea in mind, so I am excited to do this with you guys. So hang out and let's do some nail art. All right, I'll be back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Okay, I'm gonna work on my press on set, and so here's the colors from Born Pretty, and I'm going to do like a candy corn type style nail stitch work look, and then I'm gonna do some solids. So I'm gonna go in and paint my solids first. So let's see. I probably won't really talk a whole lot during this. My son is in here playing his video games next to me, and yeah, so it might get kind of loud, so I'm probably not even really gonna talk. So I will just end up playing some music, I guess, for you guys to listen to while I do this. And right now I'm just trying to decide what I want to do, what color. Everything has already been hit with the base coat. I went in with my Model 1's base coat. I don't even know where the heck I set it. Oh, right here. Okay. So I think I'm gonna go in with my pinky nail in this like mustardy yellow color.
So it's ring and index. I mean middle and index. I will do my index in the like burgundy-ish.
Yes. No.
All of this stuff will be linked below. I have an affiliate link, but then there's also their sale going on. Their anniversary sale.
I did. Yeah, I don't even listen to them a lot, so I don't care.
That's number 2.
This one's kind of like a caramel color. Caramel. What do you say? Do you say caramel or caramel? Oh, did you guys see that? I dropped that and it freaking magnetically attached for me. All right, I'm gonna cure those guys real quick.
Alright, so I'm gonna hit both of these first. All the way.
No, yeah. No. Yeah. Okay.
Huh?
I'm still here. You know what? I'm gonna put some black reset. Oh,
Nice. This spot right didn't go. Oh man.
oh, cool. What the hell's going on?
Okay.
Come on.
Alright, so I'm just going for your like simple fall look. So
I transferred black reset. Hey. Among Us. What the hell?
I'm gonna give this cranberry one a little bit more. In the meantime, I'm gonna top coat these guys. I'm just gonna use my water lens top coat. These polishes are so smooth. And I mean, really, they could get away with like one coat coverage. I just always like to do two.
Oh, somebody with a bed.
feel like it looks like this one didn't actually cure all the way through either. I have to give it an extra minute in the layout as I attempt to cure it right now. I am dropping things right now, guys. I just got a freaking fingerprint in here because I dropped it. I gave this one an extra minute, and that was super smart of me.
September ready. Next year.
Okay. Now.
April. Not answer use. No.
Okay, so I did not go in with a top coat to like clean these up at all really, so I'm just gonna roll with it. I was a little sloppy there, but hopefully I can
No.
fix that. So, sure.
Cheeseburger. Fries. Nuggets. No. None of them.
Insert that in.
Oh, Brett. Oh, clownfish, he's on a clone. Winter. No. Okay, what are you doing? What? Oh no. Don't do it. Don't punch me.
I like my lines to be a little bit raised on these.
Oh. We're gonna suck at that. A car accident? Wait, what? Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna watch that. Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, yes, you want to my tongue out concentrating.
Oh, don't do that. Don't do that, Sam. It doesn't matter.
Come on, get it now, huh? Look at what this one is. It's a crap. And you.
Don't abolish slavery. Why did they're just like sucking the tit of the fucking racial fucking degenerates that think that it's still going on, right?
Mm-hmm.